14 Professional Methods to Fix Leggy Philodendrons Before Spring Arrives. Philodendrons are beloved for their lush foliage and easy care nature, but leggy growth can make them look sparse and unhealthy. If your plant has started to lose its compact charm, don't worry, you can take steps to bring it back to its best form. This guide covers professional methods to fix leggy philodendrons and encourage fuller, healthier growth. By addressing key issues like light, pruning, and proper care techniques, you'll have your plant thriving in no time. 1. Understand the causes of leggy growth. Leggy philodendrons are often the result of insufficient light, improper watering, or natural aging. When a plant stretches out to reach a light source, its stems elongate, leaving wide gaps between leaves. Other factors, like over-fertilizing or neglecting to prune, can also contribute to the issue. Recognizing these causes is the first step toward healthier, fuller growth. Understanding your plant's natural growth habits can also help. Some philodendron species are naturally vining, while others grow bushier. Knowing the difference can guide your care decisions and help prevent unnecessary worrying about their appearance. 2. Assess and optimize lighting conditions. Philodendrons thrive in bright, indirect light, which mimics their natural tropical habitat under the forest canopy. If your plant isn't getting enough light, it will stretch toward the nearest source, leading to legginess. Place your plant near a window with filtered sunlight or use grow lights to supplement natural light during darker months. Avoid placing your philodendron in direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Regularly check how the light hits your plant throughout the day to ensure it's not getting too much or too little. 3. Rotate the plant regularly. Rotating your philodendron helps it grow evenly. When one side receives more light than the other, the plant naturally leans toward the brighter side. To prevent this, turn the pot slightly every week. This simple habit encourages balanced growth and keeps your plant looking symmetrical. Consistency is key. Make it part of your weekly routine, like watering or checking for pests. Over time, this small effort pays off in the form of a fuller, healthier plant. 4. Prune strategically for fuller growth. Pruning is one of the best ways to fix leggy philodendrons. Use sharp, clean scissors to trim back overgrown or sparse stems just above a leaf node. This encourages new growth from that point, making the plant bushier. Removing dead or yellowing leaves also redirects energy to healthier parts of the plant. Don't be afraid to cut back significantly if your plant has become overly leggy. Many philodendrons respond well to aggressive pruning and will rebound with fresh, vibrant growth. 5. Choose the appropriate pot size and soil quality. Philodendrons can struggle in pots that are too large or too small. A pot that's too big retains excess water, leading to root rot, while a small pot can restrict growth. Choose a container that is just slightly larger than the root ball to promote healthy growth. Use well-draining soil mixed with organic matter to ensure the roots get enough air. High-quality soil also provides essential nutrients, helping your philodendron thrive. 6. Maintain optimal humidity levels. Philodendrons love humidity, which replicates their natural tropical environment. Low humidity can lead to stressed plants and leggy growth. Aim for humidity levels between 40% and 60% by using a humidifier, pebble trays, or misting the leaves regularly. Grouping plants together can also help maintain humidity, as they naturally release moisture into the air. Just make sure there's enough airflow to prevent mold or mildew. 7. Fertilize appropriately. Over-fertilizing can cause rapid, weak growth, while under-fertilizing leads to nutrient deficiencies. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. This provides the nutrients your philodendron needs for steady, healthy growth. Always follow the recommended dilution rates to avoid burning the roots. During the winter, reduce or stop fertilizing since plants typically enter a dormant phase. 8. Implement proper watering techniques. Improper watering is a common cause of leggy philodendrons. Overwatering can drown the roots, while underwatering stresses the plant. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, ensuring even moisture without making the soil soggy. Check drainage holes to make sure excess water escapes. Consistent watering habits help your plant thrive without overextending its stems. 9. Provide structural support if necessary. Some philodendrons, especially vining types, may need extra support to maintain their shape. Moss poles, trellises, or stakes can guide growth upward and prevent the plant from flopping over. This also helps display its foliage more attractively. Training your plant onto a support structure can encourage fuller growth and reduce legginess. Attach stems gently using plant ties or clips to avoid damage. 10. Propagate cuttings to encourage bushiness. Propagating your philodendron is an excellent way to rejuvenate a leggy plant. Take cuttings from healthy stems with at least one node, then place them in water or soil to root. Once rooted, these new plants can be potted together with the original to create a fuller appearance. Propagation is also a great way to share your plant with friends or expand your collection. Be patient, as it may take several weeks for roots to develop. 11. Monitor for pests and diseases. Pests like spider mites, aphids, or mealybugs can weaken your philodendron, contributing to sparse growth. Regularly inspect the leaves and stems for signs of infestation, such as webbing or sticky residue. If you find pests, treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Diseases like root rot or fungal infections can also affect growth. Maintain proper watering and ensure good air circulation to prevent these issues. 12. Adjust placement according to seasonal changes. As seasons change, so do light levels and temperature conditions. Move your philodendron closer to a light source in winter or away from intense sunlight in summer. This ensures it receives consistent care year-round. Keep an eye on drafts or sudden temperature changes, which can stress the plant. Adjusting placement seasonally helps your plant adapt and grow evenly. 13. Clean leaves to enhance photosynthesis. Dusty leaves can block light and reduce your philodendron's ability to photosynthesize. Wipe the leaves gently with a damp cloth every few weeks to keep them clean. This not only improves their appearance, but also helps the plant absorb light more effectively. Avoid using commercial leaf shining products, as they can clog pores and harm the plant over time. Stick to plain water or a mild, diluted soap solution. 14. Plan for repotting and growth in spring. Spring is the best time to repot your philodendron, as it aligns with its natural growth cycle. Look for signs that it's time to repot, such as roots growing out of the drainage holes or compacted soil. Choose a slightly larger pot to allow for growth without overwhelming the roots. Repotting refreshes the soil, provides more space for the roots, and gives your plant a healthy start for the growing season. Healthy philodendrons year-round. Fixing leggy philodendrons takes patience and consistent care, but the results are worth it. By addressing common issues like lighting, watering, and pruning, you can restore your plant to its lush, vibrant self. Regular maintenance, including monitoring pests and repotting when needed, will keep your philodendron thriving through every season. Remember, every philodendron has its unique growth habits. With attention and effort, you can enjoy a fuller, healthier plant that becomes a stunning centerpiece in your space.